Hello guys, this is Chef Anshul Bhatia, also known as A Lusty Chef, and today I am here in front of you to talk about some of the most important moments of my life. As I turned 27 this year on 13th of April 2021, so I have this diary I got yesterday night, and in this it is written, what do you want from this year and what will you give to this year? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, दिस टू क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि मैं इस साल से क्या चाहता हूँ और मैं इस साल को क्या देना चाहता हूँ। इस साल से मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं खुश रहूँ, बट मुझसे ज़्यादा खुश रहें मेरे साथ जो लोग हैं, मेरे साथ जो जो भी लोग जैसे भी मेरे साथ कनेक्टेड हैं, दे शुड स्टे हैप्पी एंड दे शुड स्टे हेल्दी। उन लोग अपने इस टाइम पे, जो कोविड का टाइम है, इस टाइम पे सेव रहें। तो अभी मैं जस्ट एक इस डायरी में मैंने कुछ लिखा है तो मैं उसको पढ़ना चाहता हूँ। आई एम नॉट येट, मतलब आई एम नॉट सो इंटेलिजेंट दैट आई कैन रीड इट विदाउट लुकिंग। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। On 13th April 2021, that one thing happened which take place every year, which was my birthday. I turned 27 years old and I am not settled yet. Sarcastically मैं अभी तक सेटल नहीं हुआ हूँ. Not sarcastically, even realistically भी मैं सेटल नहीं हुआ हूँ. So I don't want to do anything right now, and I am not doing anything right now. Is not correct to say. I did lot of things as well, but those things will give the fruit in future. Currently, for example, I am making YouTube, or I am running a small business of my own, which will not help me right now, but eventually it will grow and that will give me the fruit I deserve. If I start from the beginning, then I born on the auspicious day of Baisakhi, that is 13th April 1994, in a normal middle class family. I went to a good semi-government school which is adopted by Bhilai Steel Plant, and I hailed from the place by the name Bhilai, which is located in Chhattisgarh. After finishing my school, there was a dilemma as I dropped my plan of becoming a doctor due to my family condition, and also I did self analysis, which was the major part, that I whether I will be become to I will be able to become a great doctor or a decent doctor or not, because I was not trying to put anyone's life on risk. Also, I went to do hotel management from IHM Hyderabad, Institute of Hotel Management Hyderabad, which is one of the premier institute of hotel management in Hyderabad. Also, all over India, it comes among top 5 colleges of hotel management. I was very grateful, and that college is like temple to me. Also, after passing out from my college, I got a job as a management trainee in Pizza Hut, uh, but I was not happy, due to which I didn't accepted that opportunity, because I always wanted to become a chef. Means not always wanted to, but I decided to become a chef after my industrial training from Marriott in Hyderabad. So that was the thing, and then I searched a lot of jobs in Google. I called in lot of hotels, like almost 10-15 hotels I called, and later on I got selected. I gave trials and I got selected in Hyatt Raipur, Hyatt Hotels, which is one of the most great brand of hotel in the world. One of like top 3 brand, I would say. Also, it was near to my hometown, so I decided to join there, and there on I learned some basic kitchen operations, which was very helpful to me. Then I went to Qatar, because when I was working in Hyatt, I realized that I am not smart enough to earn my bread and butter in India. as I was not planning to do any business, and I was not aware of what are the rules and principle or what are the protocols of doing any business in India. So I thought job is the safe option for me, and still I believe on the same thing. So I applied for jobs, and I got this consultancy. I don't want to take the name of that consultancy. There I applied. My friend was working there, and there I applied, and I got the job in one of the leading hotels which was going to open in Qatar in the year 2017 by the name Mondrian Hotel Doha as a banquet chef, as a main kitchen chef, as a commie third. Commie third is like one of the position in our hierarchy. But later on, before the hotel was going to open, my executive chef of that hotel, he called me in his cabin, and he told me that you are good looking, you are smart, you have the zeal to become something. So I want you to do something which is, which will suit your caliber. And so I want you to give transfer in one of the leading restaurant of our hotel. The name of the restaurant was Morimoto. It was a Japanese restaurant, which was owned by, which is owned by Chef Morimoto, who is the celebrated chef of our industry. Also, I would say I got promotion every year in that restaurant. I was not aware of the Japanese cuisine. I started from zero, and I was having no idea about what I was going to do there, but I learned it quickly, and every year I got promotion in different circumstances. Last year, when I supposed to get the promotion as demi chef, which is again a kind of supervisory position in kitchen, I was hoping that कि मुझे I will get the promotion, but later on this pandemic got hit, and now from last 1 year I am unemployed. I did lot of things. I will make separate video on that thing, but from 22nd to 27 year, 26 to 27 year of my age, I did nothing as professionally. I am not working anywhere, although I managed to earn some money which might help me at some point of time, but not like a full-fledged job or something like that. Then I will complete 1 year of this my job loss in 30th April. So hopefully I will make video कि मैंने एक साल में क्या क्या किया during this all the bhasad and everything. And I already made a video on how I lost my job. You can watch that video in the link which is given in the description down below. Also, lot of people asked me how I stay balanced in my life after facing so much. So see, there was always a support of parents as well. Their support is good. They always supported me in whatever way they can. But there was one more person who supported me. Her name is Vasundhara, and she is an amazing person. I love her, and I am grateful that I have her. She supported me a lot, and her support was also unimaginable, and I don't know, I am not able to thank enough for the support which she has given as well. So these people, my parents, my family, Basundhara, these people helped me a lot to stay balanced. And I was so depressed in my life, but eventually I thought, and I got to know that there are people behind me. So I am grateful for everyone. Also, as I said, I will make separate video on what I did from last 1 year in a descriptive way. At last, I just want to say those who ever wished me on this birthday, I would say that although I am 27 years old, but my energy is still like 21 years of a boy or something who is just going to start his journey. Because again, as I lost my job last year, I was not at the peak of my career, I would say, but I was reaching somewhere, according to my prediction. I was reaching somewhere. See, I was running 1 year late in my career. Now it became like 2 3 years I am running behind, because I am starting my career again. I am revamping my career again. So that's why I would say that I just fell down from sky to floor. But the the people which I mentioned, they helped me a lot to stand back and to get back to my feet again. So I am really grateful. And those who ever helped me, if I am not able to take the name in some other way, I would say that thanks to everyone. Thanks for all the wishes you poured on my birthday, on my uh, Facebook wall, or on my Instagram, or everywhere. Uh, it is such a great feeling, and I am blessed to have you all. I will see you guys soon in yet another video. This was just a uh, kind of talk video, a kind of interactive video, I would say. So I would like to see you guys soon in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, wear mask, and thank you so much once again. Thank you.